Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Hilti battery is not performing correctly, not charging properly, or showing unusual behavior, resetting the battery may help bring things back to normal. Sometimes a Hilti battery can stop responding after overheating, long storage, or repeated heavy use, making tools behave unexpectedly. You may notice reduced power, flashing indicators, or charging interruptions that make it seem like the battery has completely stopped working. The big thing is that in many cases, a simple reset process can refresh the battery system and help restore normal function. Since Hilti batteries include built in protection features, they may sometimes need a reset to recover from temporary issues. In this video, I will show you step by step how to reset a Hilti battery easily. Try these. Step 1. Remove the Hilti battery from the Hilti tool and place the Hilti battery on a flat surface. Step 2. Insert the Hilti battery into the Hilti charger and leave the Hilti battery connected briefly. Step 3. Remove the Hilti battery from the Hilti charger and reconnect the Hilti battery again to refresh the Hilti battery system. Step 4. Clean the contact points on the Hilti battery to improve the Hilti battery connection. Step 5. Allow the Hilti battery to cool down if the Hilti battery feels warm before using the Hilti battery again. Step 6. Place the Hilti battery back into the Hilti tool and confirm the Hilti battery is working properly.